In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shape fill and shape outline in PowerPoint. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your presentation with a pop of color, understanding these features can really enhance your slides. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to launch the program, and once it's open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. If you haven't already started a new presentation, now is a good time to open a blank slide or the project where you intend to use a shape. Alright, once your presentation is open, the next thing you need to do is select the shape you want to customize. You'll find that PowerPoint provides a variety of shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, and much more. Ensure the shape is clicked so you can modify it. Now that you've selected your shape, it's time to maneuver to the Shape Format tab. You'll find this at the top of your screen on the PowerPoint ribbon. This tab is crucial as it gives you the tools needed to modify the appearance of your selected shape. In the Shape Format tab, look for the option labelled Shape Fill. It's usually located on the left side of the toolbar. Clicking on this will present a palette or drop down of colours. Here, you can choose the colour that you'd like to fill your shape with. You can select from theme colours, standard colours, or even create a custom colour that matches your specific needs. Selecting a vivid colour can really make your shape stand out, while softer hues might be more appropriate for a subtle look. Once you've completed choosing your fill colour, let's move on to the shape outline. This option is crucial for creating a border that gives definition to your shape. Click on the Shape Outline button located next to the Shape Fill option in the toolbar. Similar to Shape Fill, you'll see a panel appear where you can pick from various outline colours. The colour you select here will be applied to the outer edge of your shape. This can add a nice touch of definition or integrate brand colours into your design, depending on your preference and needs. An important tip is to choose an outline colour that complements the fill for the best visual effect. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have customized your shape using the shape fill and shape outline features in PowerPoint. By thoughtfully selecting your colours, you can elevate the appearance of your slides, making sure they're both attractive and effective in conveying your message. So take some time to experiment with different combinations, and you'll see how much of a difference these tools can make to your presentation. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.